Hello student, I hope all of you doing very well. All of you excited to wait more number of numerical which is based on constraint motion. So basically I have already shooted video lecture 1 for constraint motion. So this is what lecture number 2 which is again constraint motion example basically today I'll tell you more number of example which is based on constraint motion, right student? So I'm going to take example number this is what example number 1 for lecture number 2. Okay, so just say this is the block, this is the block, this is what hinged here. Actually student, this is your numerical, right? So you can say this is block A, this is block B, right? So what is your question basically? Same comment on, I'm going to write your question, comment on acceleration of block A and block B, right? Comment on accelerations of block A and block B. Fine. So first, what is the target? As I've already told you, first shown tension in the string, right student? This is what tension, this is what tension, because this is the string, common string, tension remains same. So this is what again common string, so we can say student this is tension remains same. Here is what tension remains same, right? And here is what again tension is remains same, because this is the common string, this is the common string. So now student, this is your critical point. What is the tension in block A? Students, I'm teaching here, try to very slow, because this is a request by the students. Please keep slow to teach me, sir, because I'm teaching here, I'm learning here in a very bail manner. If you can teach slow, so that's why I have just go slow speed to teach, right? So this is block A, so this is T and this is T. So you can say student, this is what basically 2T, this is T, this is T. So this is student, you can say remains, this is remains, you can say students, this is what 2T, this is block A, so you can say 2T. This is what attention. Or again I'm going to tell you, telling this is my opinion students. You can take anything. Accelerations of block A which is going in upward directions, accelerations of block V which is going in downward direction, right? This is the agenda. Okay, so now this is step number 1, mark tension in every string. Step number 2, take a direction of accelerations of every block. Now this is step number 3, make FBD separately, right students? This is what step number 3. So this is block A, right? And block A in upward directions, you can see here 2T, and this is going up. We can source accelerations of block A in upward direction. Now I'm going to make a BD of block B. So this is what 2T which is acting in downward direction, and accelerations of block B which is in downward direction. Okay, so students, I told you everyone, again I'm repeating, not told you, the summation of T dot A, it's I can say Ramban, right? It's a marvelous concept. It's the most useful concept you can crack in kind of numerical. If you watch complete video, listen to me carefully during watching the video, don't escape, right? Otherwise you can't learn anything. If you watch the video honestly, as per your enthusiasm, yes, I learn physics mind by BK sir. Definitely you can learn a lot of questions. Every day I'm trying to give you best because all of you far from me, right? So this is a Ramban formula, right student? Summation of t dot a, which is equals to 0, right? So this is what 2t and a both are in same directions. A dot b, basically a because again for you I'm writing here a dot v, which is equals to mod of a mod of b into cos theta, right student? You can see t and a both are in same direction, so student you can tell this is what 2t, not t only, this is 2t into accelerations of block A into cos of 0 degree plus 2t in cos 180 degree, 2t cos of 180 degree, which is equals to 0. So cos 0 is what? Basically 1. So 2t acceleration of A minus 2t, here I am missing something student, accelerations of block B. So 2t into acceleration of block V, which is equals to 0. You can equate both of the side. So this is what 2t into acceleration of block A, which is equals to 2t into accelerations of block B. 2 gets cancelled, t gets cancelled. Finally, this is the relation between acceleration of A, which is equals to acceleration of B, right student? So this is what basically answer which you want to find coming on accelerations of block A and block B. So take a screenshot if you have doubt during watching video regarding numerical. All of you are smart, there is an option, you can comment. If I'll see back to you as soon as possible. So take a screenshot student. I'll move to take another example which is based on constraint motion, right? Take a screenshot. Done? Okay, fine. So this is what basically numerical which is based on constrained motion. So now I'm going to take another example which is also based on basically constrained motion, right student? So just say this is the block, this is the block, right student? This is block A, which is connected through a pulley, right? And this is again connected through another pulley, and this is connected through a ground, this is connected through a ground, okay, and this is again connected through another pulley, and this is connected through ground, this is again connected through another pulley, or another end of a string is connected through ground, and finally this is the block B. What student? This is the block B, right? This is the more, you can say students are telling, sir, I'm not able to solve. You can solve this question within 10 seconds. This is my promise. If you can watch the video, definitely I'll tell you, I'm sure 110%, Definitely you can secure single questions if you will watch complete video, right? So this is again funda, usually we are I'm following from the last questions, student. So first mark, step number one is what? Tension mark, right? So just I'm going to tell you this is what tensions T, this is the common string, so student you can say also T, this is T and this is T by the condition. You can see student, this is T, this is T, you can say 2T, right? This is 2T, so we can say this is 2T. So this is the common string, this is common string, student you can tell this is remains 2T. Okay, 2T and 2T, this is what basically T, right student, and this is what remains T. Okay, and this is what basically student you can tell T by 2, and you can tell again this is T by 2. Now T by 2 basically in upward directions, so you can say here is tension T by 4 and this is T by 4, right? Agar if you have a doubt, so you can take individually. This is what 2T, this is the block where acting 2T, so you can say this is T, this is T, take a, this is string, this is connected through this. I'm going to pulley number 1 for better understanding 2, and this is what 3, this is pulley number 1 and 2, this is tension T, so this is T by 2 student, and this is T by 2 student, and this is finally you can say pulley number 3rd, so this is T by 2, this is T by 4 and this is T by 4, right student? So I have already individually made for better understanding. If you are feeling not, if you are not understanding this ABD, so individually I have make a video. And T by 4, this is connected through what? Block B. This is connected through block B. Tension is acting T by 4 student, and this is what basically block B, right? So this is my opinion. I'm considering here block A is moving in upward direction with, you can see VA, speed of block A, right? Speed of block A in upward directions VA. I'm going to tell you I'm considering here speed of block B in downward direction. So what is your question? Your question is that comment on speed of block A and block B. What is your question, student? Comment on speed of block B if block A is moving with speed VA. This is your questions, or you can say relation between speed of block A and block B. Similar questions they can ask in alternative language in another way. So this is all about questions I have already completed. This is what step number 1 of this question, right? Step number 2 I have completed. I have already marked directions of block A, in which directions moving, and block V, in which directions moving, right? So now I am going to initiate to apply step number 3rd, because student I need space. So take a screenshot. Anyone has a doubt to understand how TT, how t by 2, t by 2, how t by 4, t by 4. So don't worry, all of you are smart. There is your option comment box. You can comment, I'll see and back to you as soon as possible, right? So take a screenshot, student. I'm giving to you 5 seconds, right? Okay, done, good. So now I'm going to erase this all data and I'm going to apply step number third, right? So what is step number third? Basically you can similarly use, similarly using the result for step number third, that is what summation. Earlier I have done a lot of questions summation of t dot a. Similarly you can apply same formula, t dot v, t dot v, which is equals to 0. You can say the speed, not, you can say velocity, right? I have written here speed, so there is a mention speed, velocity, both of the things. So don't worry, because this is a understood things now. Direction is mentioned, it means of course this is the velocity. You can say speed, you can erase so and write down velocity. So student, I'm going to same things, velocity, and this is what velocity of moving with velocity of a similar, right? So now I'm going to show here individually a BD of block A, right? This is block A and tension is acting in downward direction and upward direction. This is moving with VA, right? And next, this is what basically block B. So this is acting in upward directions, tensions T by 4 student, and this is moving in downward directions with velocity VA and VB. Here is similar directions, so you can see T dot A, and here is what both are opposite. You can see angle is 180 degree and here is what angle is 0 degree, right student? So I'm going to apply here of the formula T dot V individually both of the block. So this is what T into VA cos of 0 degree plus student, you can say T by 4 VB VB cos of 180 degree, which is equals to 0. Cos 0 1, so T into VA minus T upon 4 into VV, which is equals to 0. So now you can equate both of the side, T into VA, which is equals to T by 4 into VV. T gets cancelled, right student? So you can say this implies VV is equals to 4 times of VA. VV is equals to 4 times of VA. So this is what basically answer of this question. So student, this is enough for today. To understand this all lectures, I'm trying to give ways to you and I want to help everyone. I'm getting a message by the students. No one able to solve this kind of numerical easily. So if you can watch the video, definitely you can earn single question, right? So bye bye student for today, meeting you soon.